If you've ever opened Instagram on your iPhone and felt a wave of déjà vu as stories you've already watched start playing again, you're not alone. In mid-2022, a frustrating glitch swept through the Instagram community, particularly affecting iOS users. Suddenly, every time someone posted a new story, users were forced to rewatch all the previous stories from that account before they could see the latest update. It was like being stuck on a carousel that just wouldn't stop spinning, and it quickly sparked confusion and even a little annoyance among millions of users. For brands, influencers, and everyday creators who rely on Instagram stories to connect with their audience, this glitch was more than just an inconvenience. Stories are designed to be instant, fleeting, and fresh, a way to keep your community engaged and up to date. But when your followers have to sit through content they've already seen just to catch the latest news or promotion, engagement drops. People are less likely to stick around, and you risk losing out on valuable reach and interaction. For businesses and creators who measure success by impressions, responses, and clicks, every view counts. So, what caused this unusual bug? The issue was linked primarily to the Instagram app on iOS devices. When a user's favorite account added a new story, the app would force them to replay every single previous story from that account, even if they had already watched them. This wasn't just a minor annoyance. It made the fast-paced, real-time world of Instagram stories feel clunky and repetitive. The good news is that Instagram's parent company, Meta, quickly became aware of the problem. They listened to user feedback and got to work finding a solution. The fix arrived in the form of an app update, version 239.1 for iOS users. Once users updated their Instagram application to this latest version, the repeating stories bug was resolved, restoring the seamless experience people expect from the platform. If you're ever faced with similar Instagram hiccups in the future, checking for an update is often the fastest way to get back on track. But why do these glitches happen in the first place? With millions of users and constant updates, even the most robust platforms can run into technical issues now and then. Sometimes it's due to compatibility problems with a new iOS version. Sometimes it's a bug that slipped through during a big app overhaul. What matters most is how quickly the platform responds. And Meta showed its commitment to user experience by rolling out a fix without delay. Here's what you can do to keep your Instagram running smoothly and avoid disruptions like the repeating stories glitch. First, always keep your app updated. Updates don't just bring new features, they often include critical bug fixes and performance improvements. Next, make sure your device's operating system is current and maintain a stable internet connection when viewing or posting stories. These simple steps can make a big difference in how well the app performs. At Famety, we know how vital it is for creators, brands, and businesses to stay connected with their audience without interruptions. That's why we're always here to help you improve your social media accounts, whether you need more likes, followers, comments, or shares. Our services span across all major social media platforms and even extend to Google and SEO, so you never have to worry about hitting a wall in your growth journey. And if you ever run into technical troubles, our live support team is ready to help you troubleshoot and get back to what you do best, engaging your audience and building your brand. Remember, the digital world moves fast, and so do we. Stay updated, stay creative, and let Famety be your partner in navigating the ever-changing landscape of social media. If Instagram throws you a curveball, we've got your back, so you can keep sharing your story, one flawless view at a time.